Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has been giving some mercies and blessings so I can make this video to complete my assignment of Psycholinguistic course. Secondly, may salawat and salam be with our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the brightness and from the stupidity to the cleverness. In this opportunity, I will explain my answer about understanding psycholinguistics. There is a relationship between language and human mind because cognitive process that occur in the process of acquiring language or linguistic acquisition so that humans can have the ability to use the language or to produce and to comprehend in communication. And then thinking is directly correlated to language, and language provides the framework for an individual's thoughts as well as for society, values, and beliefs. The language a person speaks has an influence on their mind and how they view the world. Mental representation is defined as a structure in our mind, such as an idea or image that stands for something else. Mental representations allow us to think about things that are abstract and have no psychical existence. In psychology, the term mental process refers to any process that takes place in the mind. A synonym for mental process is cognitive process. These are the processes that are used during thinking, perception, memory, volition, and emotion. For example, a cognitive process that you use when you read include predicting, verifying, and elaborating. Psycholinguistic in online source, for example in Psychology Dictionary, defines psycholinguistic as the study of how humans interpret, generate, and learn language. And then psycholinguistics in experts' views, for example like Purba 2018 defines psycholinguistics as the study of mind and language. It's concerned with the relationship between the human mind and the language as it examines the processes that occur in brain while producing and perceiving language. Um, online um, online online search and experts view have a little bit have a different. Online search is a general meaning, and then the experts views is the specific meaning. By studying psycholinguistics, we can understand learning phenomena. Apart from that, we can know that each student has different abilities. For example, like beginner students usually have a long pauses, and whereas fluent students only have short pauses. So therefore, by studying psycholinguistics, we can understand each student's abilities. The observation approach involves carefully watching and analyzing how people naturally use language in their everyday lives. It's all about observing language in its natural habitat, so to speak. And then the experiment approach is more controlled. Psycholinguists design experiments to manipulate different variables and study how they affect language processing and production. It's like creating a little language laboratory to uncover the secrets of our minds. Both approaches have their own strengths and help us to understand how language works in our brain. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.